Friends, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is sun as a natural resource. As we all know, sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It is the natural source of energy. Sun is the natural source of energy. Are you able to see the sun directly through naked eyes? Of course, no. Because sun is the brightest object in the sky. We see many stars in the sky, but sun is the nearest star to the earth. It is the star nearest to the earth. It is a huge ball of burning gases. It gives out heat and light. It is a source of energy for all life on earth. There are various uses of sun. Plants use sunlight for making food by the process of photosynthesis. Solar collectors help capture the sunlight and turn it into heat. Solar cells can turn solar energy into electricity. Sun provides vitamin D, which is important for us to stay healthy. Now, let's see what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means making things with light. Photosynthesis means making things with light. Plants use energy from sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into an energy-rich sugar called glucose. This process is called photosynthesis. Next topic is solar collectors. Solar collectors capture the sunlight and turn it into heat. People can heat their houses and their water using the sun's energy. They mainly installed on the roof for maximum sun exposure. Solar cells. Solar cells can turn solar energy into electricity. A solar cell changes solar energy into electricity. A number of solar cells are put together to make a solar panel. A solar panel changes solar energy into electricity to run fans, lights, geysers and traffic lights. Next is conservation of energy. The sources of energy are limited. If we all don't join our hands together in saving energy now, we would have to repent later. Energy saved by you can fill light in someone's life. Ways to save energy at school. You should turn your lights, fans, air conditioners when you leave your classroom for any activity. Unplug the power button of the smart board and computers when not in use. Use natural source for lighting up your classroom. Keep doors and windows closed when air conditioners are switched on. Ways to save energy at home. Wear the right clothes as per the temperature. Shut doors and close curtains in case the air conditioners are switched on. Use energy efficient bulbs like CFL bulbs to reduce power consumption. Turn off all electrical appliances when you leave your room. Sources of energy can be mainly grouped into two categories. These are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable sources of energy are replenished naturally and over relatively short period of time. Renewable means that these resources get replaced easily after they are used up. Renewable sources of energy will never get finished. Energy from the sun, wind and water is also called green energy because these sources of energy do not pollute the environment. Coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene and natural gas are also sources of energy. These sources of energy take thousands of years to form. So they cannot be replaced quickly after being used. Therefore, they are called non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy are available in limited supplies and they usually take long time to replenish. Examples: coal, oil, natural gas. We should use more renewable resources of energy. At last, from this chapter, we come to know that nothing is more important to us on earth than the sun. So here your chapter is finished and I hope you understood. Thank you.